good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. Right, this afternoon I am doing an unboxing and it's another food box, snack box. I don't know what's going on at the moment. I seem to be going through a bit of a thing at the moment where all I'm doing is snack boxes. And guess who I've got with me? Who have I got with me? What's your name?
Kayla.
Kayla, right. Kayla's my niece, so it's my sister's little girl.
I'll be here for a very long time. When it's summer, I'll still be there.
I know. I think school's going to be closed for quite a bit, aren't we?
When I'm back, I'll be in year 3.
You'll be year 3.
Yeah.
So there you go. So I think you could be having about at least a 3-month holiday, I think. So, good or bad? Are you happy about that or not?
Happy about it.
You're happy about it? Okay. Well, don't think you're not going to be doing any schoolwork. You will be doing schoolwork. Don't worry. We've got it planned.
Because I want to be mummy, that's what
Oh, you want to be with your mummy. Oh. Right, so this afternoon, let's get back to this. This afternoon I am doing a new unboxing. I was contacted by a company called SnackSurprise. So SnackSurprise UK. I'll put the details down below and I'll put the link down below. And they've asked me if I would like to review their snack box. They started last year, so 2019. And it seems to be 2 brothers. They're based in England and they decided, you know, they love food and they wanted to start a surprise snack box, because I think a lot of people do like to eat snacks from all around the world. So the basis of the boxes is that each month you will get a box delivered to your door and the theme will be from a different country from around the world. The box costs £11.99 a month. But I do have a code, a discount code, which they've given me. What are you doing? They've given me a discount code. The discount code is SussexSandra15, so that's along the screen at the bottom there. And that will give you 15% off your first box. Yeah? All good. So £11.99 is not too bad actually. So your first box will cost about £10 something. Okay, I just want to make sure I give you all the details about the box. So yes, they deliver straight to your door, and yes, it's a themed box every month. Okay, so I've already opened the box. I really wanted to see if there was anything inside the box that might be perishable and that needed to go in the fridge. So I have opened the box already. They delivered it to me really quickly. Once I gave them my contact address, the box came sort of 2 days later. And go on their website, they do say that, you know, once you've subscribed, the box will be delivered to you within 2 to 3 working days, and you will be able to track the delivery to your door as well. So there you go. This is what the box looks like. It came. It's got the details there. Right. Should not show you my address, but yeah, that's what it looks like on the top there. So it's not too much of a big box, but the box is absolutely packed. And the theme this month, the country this month for March is Italy. Ooh, all right. So shall we have a look? So do you want to take out the first thing? You can see what it is. So you take out the first thing. Right, what's this? You want to hold it up to the camera and I can see what it is. Right, hold that up. So this is something called Fonzie's Gli Originali. Wow, okay. So this is Fonzie's Oli Originali are made of corn and cheese. Oh, so it's corn and cheese flavoured. They're, oh God, this is really small. And I've got my glasses on as well. They're also baked in the oven and not fried. If you don't lick your fingers afterwards, it's only half the fun. Oh, it's only half the fun. Shall we open it, see what it tastes like? Yeah? I mean, you've just had dinner. Are you sure? I'm going to open it anyway. Yeah, I'm going to open it anyway. So these are corn and cheese flavoured. That's what it looks like on the inside. Yum. Taste that. Taste it. It's nice. Go on. No? Go on. Yeah? No? Honestly. Right, go on, check out something else. I like that. I like that a lot actually. It's right down my street. Right, hold that up. So that is called, right, that is called Yonkers. Yonkers. So Yonkers is Yonkers snack al formaggio. So formaggio cheese, I'm assuming. Yonkers are made of corn and are crisp, puffy rings with a strong, savoury cheddar cheese flavour and aroma. Pop them on your fingers and eat them one by one for fingerlicious fun. Right, I'm not going to open these because I don't know if you'll like these. I don't think you like cheesy flavor. You like eating cheese, but you don't like cheesy flavoured things, do you?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, if I open that and you didn't eat that, I'm going to have two things open. Oh, don't give me that look. Gosh. If you don't eat these. Right.
Open it.
Now you tell me. Oh, look, that's what they look like on the inside. Okay, go on then, try one. Yes, nice. Thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up. Okay, that's yours. Right, we're not going to open any more now, she says. Go on then. Give me another one. Those are nice. Right, what's this? This is... Oh wow, so this is going to really test my pronunciation here. So this is a Goliardo mystery candy. Goliardo mystery is the double gummy candy with 3 different fruit flavours and 3 colours to be discovered. It's an iconic Italian candy loved by many children, teens and adults. Okay, there you go. We're not going to open that yet, right? Because we've already got one thing open. Okay, come on, keep on giving me stuff. Come on, go. What's that? Oh, what do you think this is? What does it look like to you?
I don't know.
No? Right, what we have here is Pan di Stelle. Yeah. So this is a Molino Bianco Pan di Stelle Bisco Crema. Right, so what I've got from there is that it's a creamy kind of biscuit maybe. So Bisco Crema are 100% Italian cocoa and hazelnut biscuits with a magical heart of Pan di Stelle cream, enclosed by a chocolate coating and a star of milk cream. It all sounds right out my street, to be honest. Right, I'll be very happy to eat that. Actually, your mum will be happy to eat that as well. Ooh, what's next? This looks like Kinder almost. Do you want to hold this up? I thought it was a Kinder at one point. So this is... So Ferrero. So we know Ferrero chocolates, don't we? Ferrero Rocher. Those special occasions we have at Christmas and Easter and Mother's Day coming up. Ferrero Duplo Chocolate. Duplo Chocolate consists of 3 crunchy hazelnut embedded in a crispy and delicate waffle, as well as fine hazelnut cream surrounded by delicious chocolate. Okay, these are all right down my street. This is just, well, she's disappeared. Oh well, that was the help I was getting for the day. But yeah, those kind of treats are right down my street. What we got here? We have here, oh, you're back. Okay, we have a Bonelle Squiste. These look like jelly sweeties. Right, so we have Fida Bonelle Squisiti. Squisiti? I know, I'm struggling. Okay, so Bonelle Squisiti are soft fruit flavoured jellies that are 100% vegan and made with only fruit pectin without any animal gelatin. So that's nice. You want to try one?
How can you read that?
I know, it's very small, isn't it?
I can.
You want to try one?
One.
You want to go for a red one? Yeah. Whoops. You got a red one, yeah? What flavour is that? You don't like it? Oh dear. How many things have I got open to? I'm not opening up any more things now because you're not eating them.
I'm eating that one.
You're eating that one? Okay, that's fine. I'll allow you that. Go on then, give me something else. Oh, that was nice. Look, I've got a sweet tooth. I can't help it. Okay. Right. Okay. So we've got a can of Pepsi here. Pepsi Twist. And it looks like it's a lemon. So lemon flavour.
Lemon?
I mean, what more can I say about a Pepsi which is lemon flavour? Pepsi Twist. This notorious... Why notorious? The notorious Pepsi Twist is a delicious lemon flavoured cola. marketed by PepsiCo as an alternative to the classic Pepsi. It was first introduced in the USA all the way back in 2000, but was discontinued. Oh wow. So it's a discontinued flavour, but I know the Italians like things like lemon and citrus and all that sort of thing. So, and again, I love lemon. I love citrus flavoured drinks. I really do. Give me a peach tea or a lemon tea. Happy days. Come on, next. Come on. Right, what's this little thing? Okay. So we have here. Oh, this is Kinder. This is more you. I think you'll like these. This is Kinder. So we've got Ferrero Kinder Cards. Kinder Cards is a waffle speciality consisting of milk and cocoa cream filling, enclosed by two crunchy wafers. With Kinder Cards, you have a deck that provides a lot of fun and plenty of enjoyment. Okay, I think these are yours. I'm going to give these ones to you because I think you'll like those. Because you like Kinder chocolate, don't you?
I don't know.
You don't know? Your mum is not treating you right. She'll tell me you're for saying that. Right, what's this one? Next. Quite a lot of stuff in this little box, you know. So we've got here Ringo. So we've got Pavese, vanilla or chocolate flavour Ringo biscuits. Ringo biscuits are real Italian biscuits made from two biscuits filled with a delicious vanilla or chocolate cream. They are a great snack for both adults and kids. Yeah, that's all good. Yeah. I'm going to continue. Right, we've got more. I think we've got a big packet down there. We'll do that one afterwards. So we've got this one here. This is Loca Choco and Cocoa. So you got Loca chocolate snack bar, and there's 4 possible flavours you could get here. So this snack bar consists of light crispy wafers and layers of delicious cream covered with fine milk chocolate. Your box may contain a choco and milk cereal, or choco and nut, or a choco and white, or a choco and cocoa flavoured bar.
Which one is that?
So that's this one down here. Yes, it's that one. So there seems to be very much a tendency towards wafer style chocolates. You know, those thin wafers with chocolates and creams in it. So, so yeah, where's that big packet? Come on, you can't hide that. I know you're trying to hide it from me. So this is the biggest packet in the box, and it's the last item in this box. So this is Matilde Vincenzi Mille Fogli d'Italia mini snack or bocconcini. I am absolutely massacring the pronunciation of these, but you know what I'm trying to do here. Right, so what we've got here is Matilde Vincenzi brings all the flavour of an Italian bakery right to you. Mini snacks are little of puff pastry filled with hazelnut cream. Bocconcini are puff pastries filled with delicious milk cream. So you get 2 stars. So I've got here a mini snack, and this one looks like it's a chocolate cream. So it looks like it's a hazelnut cream. So hazelnut seems to be very popular. And the crema thing seems to be very popular in the Italian snack market. So there we go. Those are my snacks from a little snack surprise. Quite happy with that. Listen, it's food. I'm going to be happy. And it's sweet food. Even better. You know what I'm like. I like my food. I've got a sweet tooth. This is totally right down my street. So, yeah. I've got a sweet tooth. I eat sweets a lot, don't I? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you see me eating a lot of sweets. So, all good. Well, you seem to be enjoying these little corn ones, don't you? Yeah, so Kayla seems to be enjoying the Yonkers. So, that's all good. I'm quite happy to snack on these and the jelly sweets, and I'll probably open up this can of cola as well. So, okay, there you go, guys. So that's the box today. So it's from it's SnackSurprise UK. They're based in the UK, providing snacks from all around the world. Monthly subscription. It costs £11.99. But if you want to try this box out, I have got a discount code down below which they've kindly given to me, and it will give you 15% off your first box. And the code I've got for you is SussexSandra15. Yeah, enjoy. Well, you know I'm going to enjoy these. These will be gone within couple of days, no problems in this house. Especially now that we're all at home at the moment. So there you go, guys. So I'll link the website down below if you want to try the box out for yourself. All right. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. I will see you soon. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.